Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 8 for SSC Board. Chapter number 7 Mensuration. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 7.3, question number 11. The area of minus sector of circle is 3.85 cm square and the measure of its central angle is 36 degree. Find radius of circle. So area of sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to 36 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into r square is equal to, if you simplify this, you will get 3. Now it is given 3.85 and hence r square is equal to 385 upon 100 into 7 into 360 upon 36 into 22. If you simplify this, you will get 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2, and therefore r is equal to 7 upon 2 is equal to 3.5 centimeter, and hence radius of circle is equal to 3.5 cm. Okay, question number 12. Quadrilateral PQRS is rectangle. So this is a quadrilateral PQRS which is rectangle. This side is equal to 14 centimeter given and this is equal to 21 centimeter given, and this is a part X, part Y and part Z. So find the area of each part. Okay. Now first you try to understand. Now this is for this sector, this is a sector, this is also sector. So find the area of this sector and find the area of this sector, and to find Z, subtract these two area of sector of these two sectors from what area of rectangle. Okay. Now in this case, this is the center of sector and this is the radius, and therefore this QA is equal to 14 centimeter, QR is equal to 21 given, and therefore area of this sector is 7 centimeter. Okay. Now try to understand solution. Quadrilateral PQRS is rectangle. PQ is equal to 14 centimeter. QR is equal to 21 centimeter. Angle Q is equal to angle R is equal to 90. PQ is equal to QA is equal to 14 centimeter, and therefore AR is equal to 7 centimeter. Then for part X, R is equal to 14 centimeter, theta is equal to 19, and therefore area of sector Q dash PA is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square is equal to 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 14 gives you 22 into 7 and is equal to, so therefore area of part X is equal to 154 cm square. Then part Y, R is equal to 7 centimeter and theta is equal to 90 degree, and therefore area of sector P dash AB is equal to 90 upon 360 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7 gives you 77 upon 2 is equal to 38.5 cm square. Then therefore area of part Y is equal to 38.5 cm square. Now to find area of part Z, area of part Z is equal to area of rectangle is equal to minus area of part X plus Y. So is equal to area of rectangle is equal to L into B. So 14 into 21 minus 154 plus 38.5 gives you 294 minus 192.5 is equal to 101.5 cm square, and hence area of part Z is equal to 101.5 cm square. Okay. Question number 13. Triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle. LM is equal to 14 centimeter. Three sectors are drawn with vertices as centers. The radius is 7 centimeter. Find area of triangle LMN, area of any one of the sector, and total area of all three sectors, and area of the shaded region. So this is a triangle, equilateral triangle given. All sides are equal to 14 centimeter, and these are three sectors drawn with radius 7. So this radius is 7 and this Mn is equal to 14, and therefore this radius is also equal to 7 and this radius is also equal to 7. So all three sectors are congruent. Okay, now try to understand solution. Triangle LMN is an equilateral triangle and therefore angle M is equal to 60 degree, and therefore area of triangle LMN is equal to root 3 upon 4 side square. This is the formula for equilateral triangle, and is equal to root 3 upon 4 into 14 into 14 gives you 49 root 3 cm square. So this is the area of triangle. Then area of sector MAB is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. So theta is equal to 60 upon 360 into pi into 7 into 7. So if you simplify this, you will get 49 pi upon 6 cm square. And therefore area of all three sectors is equal to 49 pi upon 6 into 3. Simplify this, you will get 49 pi upon 2 cm square. Now area of the shaded region is equal to area of triangle minus area of all three sectors, and is equal to 49 root 3 minus 49 pi upon 2 gives you, here you take 49 common, into bracket root 3 minus pi upon 2 cm square, and hence area of triangle LMN is equal to 49 root 3 cm square. Area of sector is equal to 49 pi upon 6 cm square. Area of all three sectors is equal to 49 pi upon 2 cm square, and area of shaded region is equal to 49 into bracket root 3 minus pi upon 2 cm square. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.